Hey everyone! I will be sharing our 4 days and 3 nights DIY tour in Bukidnon. We arrived at Laguindingan Airport around 10 a.m. and dumiretso na kami sa Amaya View for lunch. We rented a car pala so we can roam around without any hassle. After lunch, we headed na to Dahilayan Forest Park to check in. Our room is good for 3 packs for only 3,300 pesos per night with free breakfast for 2. Malaki, clean, and super comfy yung room. For our second day, we had our brunch sa Forest Cafe. Umorder na lang kami ng additional silog meal since dalawa lang yung free breakfast. First stop namin is the Alpine Village. Walking distance lang to sa Forest Park. Super nice ang vibe dito, parang nasa ibang bansa ka lang. Meron silang villa for rent and mga rides for the kids. After namin mag-coffee and dessert, we went to the adventure park to try the rides. We tried the Razorback and dual zipline. Hindi na namin try na yung iba kasi sa zipline pa lang takot na takot na ako. What more yung drop zone? Bumalik na din kami sa Forest Park to try the luge. Dito kami super na-enjoy talaga. Dumaan na lang din kami sa Jessie's Diner para mag-pictorial since malapit lang siya sa finish line ng luge. For our third day, dumaan kami sa Pineapple Plantation after naming mag-check out. We had our lunch dito sa tapat ng meet-up place namin ng habal-habal driver going to Roti Peaks Ridge Camp. Yung road ng Roti is rough road. Ang laki ng mga bato at maputik din since kakaulan lang. Hindi ako nakapag-video kasi natakot na din ako. Buti na lang experience tong mga drivers namin. Finally, after 45 minutes, nakarating na din kami. At ayun, super sulit naman pala ng biyahe. We rented the A-frame kubo, good for 6 packs. Nag-pre-order na din pala kami ng meals, dinner and breakfast. By the way, wala palang kuryente and limited lang yung water dito. Kaya need talaga may dala kayong power bank or you need to save your battery. Malakas naman yung signal dito kaya pwede ka pang makapag-post real-time ng mga pictures. Maaga kaming nagising the next day. Nagluto na din yung caretaker ng breakfast namin. Super relaxing, maaliwalas, and sobrang ganda lang ng view. Kung pwede lang talaga mag-extend pa ng 1 day. After checkout, we went na to Communal Ranch. Sobrang ganda dito, parang nasa Switzerland ka. Dito na din kami nag-lunch since na-enjoy talaga namin yung view. Yung last stop namin is the Lover's Lane. Nag-Victoria na lang kami dito before heading back to Cagayan de Oro. That wraps up our Bukidnon trip. Feel free to drop your questions sa comment section. Thank you for watching!